Do you own a food-related business? Then enjoy Kyte's integration with Meta to enable delivery and pickup orders directly from your Facebook business page and your Instagram bio. In addition to expanding your business online presence, you also enable Pixel to gain greater insight into who is accessing your online catalog. For all features to become available, you must have an active business account on both Facebook and Instagram. If you don't already have them, follow the steps in the tutorials listed in the description. Once both professional profiles are created, you need to link them together, so that the order food buttons appear. To make this connection, access your Facebook account, go into your business page, on Settings, and then on Instagram. Log into the professional profile you created for your bussings in Instagram, and don't forget to sync the information once the process is complete. Now that the profiles are synced, go to the online catalog menu in Kyte and tap Integrating with Partners. The app will redirect your access to your Facebook account. Log into it if necessary. Here you must follow the step-by-step sequence, creating an account in each one of the tools offered in the integration. If you already have an active access in them, it will appear as an option in the list. Just select the one you want and continue with the steps. The integration may take a few seconds to process, but when it is completed, you will see a confirmation screen in your Kyte. In the end, you will have access to the Business Manager platform, from where you can use the administrative tools to manage all your professional profiles created on Facebook. An ad account, where you can create and manage your business's online ads that can be published on both Facebook and Instagram. And Pixel, where you will have access to all the results of your ads and campaigns, in addition to statistics and detailed data on the accesses and interactions with your Facebook business page and consequently your Kyte online catalog. If you want to know more about all the tools at your disposal in this integration, see the links that we listed for you in the description of this video. The integration automatically creates an Order Food button on your Facebook page and on your Instagram profile. Through it, your customers can access your online catalog automatically and make their orders, which will appear immediately in your Kyte app. There you can complete sales, manage deliveries, and control the results of your business and your team. If you want or need to undo the integration, just access the online catalog menu, click on Integrating with Partners, and then on Uninstall Integration. Confirm the cancellation and wait for it to be processed. Once completed, the Order Food buttons will be removed from your profiles, but your access to Meta's tools will remain active. The integration can be reactivated again whenever you want. Just do the same process as you did on the first time. If you want to know how to boost the visibility and reach of your online business, check out our video on how to activate and use the food order sticker in your Instagram stories. Do you want more tips and hacks? Subscribe to this channel and follow us on Instagram at kyte.app.